The National Weather Service in Aberdeen has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Edmonds County in north-central South Dakota, northern Hand County in central South Dakota, northern Hyde County in central South Dakota, southwestern Brown County in northeastern South Dakota, Falk County in north-central South Dakota, northwestern Spink County in northeastern South Dakota, until 7:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:46 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Orient, or 13 miles south of Falkton, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for North Apollo, for northern Hand County moving into Falk County. Hazard, 100 miles per hour wind gusts and 2-inch hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Expect excessive tree damage and power outages. This severe thunderstorm will be near Orient and Miranda around 6:50 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Denville around 7 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Chelsea, South Scatterwood Lake, North Scatterwood Lake, Mansfield, and Warner. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This storm has the potential to cause serious